Royal City College and Royal Dynasty, nursery, primary and secondary school, approved by the government. Admission into crèche, nursery, primary and college is ongoing. Our facility, serene and conducive learning environment, qualified and trained teachers, well-equipped science laboratories, home economics laboratory, modern high-tech computers, well-equipped healing bay, school buses, playground, well-trained and equipped security, stable power supply and water, music classes, and first aid. We are located at number 18/22 Babsarumi Street off Ogunlano Street, Egbeda, Lagos State, Nigeria. For more information and inquiry, please call 080-874-92758 or 080-384-48457. Visit our website at www.bishoptomsamsoninternationalschool.com. Royal City College and Royal Dynasty, impacting greatness in Royal City through quality education.